Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. Today I'm going to be replacing a AC blower motor in a Nissan Rogue. We're going to have to remove this panel, the radios pull out, your AC control pull it out, remove the glove box. We have to remove this panel, this AC vent, and pull this panel off. It's really just held in with all screws, so it's really not that hard to do. It's just a lot of little pieces and putting it all back together the same way you take it out. So take your time and pay attention to what you're doing. This is all you'll need right here. Phillips head, panel puller. I get a magnet in case I drop a screw, and a flashlight. All right. Glove box. You let it down. You got this little lever here. You want to push it and get it off, and then push these two in, and then take it out. There's two connectors right here and right here. You're just gonna have to pop it out. Set it out of the way. I'm gonna get this panel off. That's right where I wanted it. Then I'm going to take this off, the vent. We'll take it out. Just one screw. I'm going to put my screws right here so I don't lose them. Pop it off like that. Put my little cap back on. Okay. Now we're going to get this off. Sorry, don't even need my little. I better take it easy, I'll break them. There we go. There, put it down there with that panel. Okay, that's off, that's off, that's off. Now we gotta pop this out. Just like that. Set it aside. I am going to have to take this off. I just said this, but I got to take this off. I'm going to pop. See how the AC? A lot of people say unplug it. I don't think you need to. You can just let it dangle right there. Let me show y'all where these screws are. You got two screws. 1, 2. And once I pull this off, there's going to be 2 more screws right behind those. The one on the other side. This is where I'll probably use my magnet. So I don't lose it. 1. 2. 3. And then the 4th one's over here. 4. That's going to be for your radio. And then you're just going to pop out your radio. Just like that. Just let it sit there. You don't have to disconnect anything. Okay, we were here. Now we're going to go where the glove box was. Right here. In this area. And we got a bolt there, or a screw there, a screw there, one there, there, right there. Okay, we're going to take those off and then pull that panel out. The panel that's behind, actually what the glove box sits into. For you guys. So we got a bolt here. One. Remember, we got 5. And then 2, 1 there, and 1 there. Got them. Okay, we got those 4. I keep calling them bolts, but they're screws. We got those 4 screws out, 5 screws out. Now we're going to pull out the glove box, where the glove box sits, right here. And this panel does come off, so it gets part of the glove box. So you just pop it out like that. Set it aside. Now we're going to go up in here. We'll Blair Witch it again. Show y'all where the blower motor is. Blower motor. I'm not going to be able to video right there because I don't have enough hands. But okay, again, that's your blower motor. It's right now it's pretty simple to do. You're just going to take it out. You get that 1 bolt right there. You take that bolt out. That's going to free your blower motor up. You can twist it clockwise, pull it out, put your new one in, twist it back in. That's the plug. You gotta unplug it, of course. All right, that should be good right there. I'm gonna start putting it all back together again. This piece came out last, so we'll go back with it first. Just like that. It's in place. I gotta put the 5 screws back in. Remember, the 5 screws are down here in the bottom. In the back. All right, what did I do next? Y'all remember? I know the glove box goes last because it came out first. Got the panel that goes across here. I know I got these to go on. I think my panel goes across here. Nope, that'll cover up my screws, so don't put that in next. I'm gonna put this in like that. Screw those there. There we go, just like that. Screw, 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 screw. Can't put that in yet because then I can't reach my screws. Okay. Try to do this without dropping them. Got one up here. Boom. Got one over here on top. We got down on bottom, we got two. We're going to put my start switch up, my start button back in place. Just like that. Because I know this panel here has to slip into those. So now my AC control, but before going any further, let's make sure this darn thing works. Come on. Oh yeah. It's working. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Put this back in place. Then this goes. That button, that. Then we gotta put this in place. The vent, which goes like this. Hope y'all can see that. Okay. Got a screw for that vent somewhere. There it is. And the side panel. It's not a hard job to do. You just got a lot of panels to take off. And it's pretty simple. I've done one on another Rogue. That's how I knew what to go after. I gotta get this panel in place. Behind the weather stripping and pop it in. Then the glove box, and we'll be done. Remember the glove box that has these two that snap in place down below at the bottom. Then this little lever goes back over this little nub, and it's in place. Take that other side. Yeah, it popped in. Then it's in place. And that's how you replace a blower motor in a Nissan Rogue. You can do it in an hour without easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know I had to move the camera a lot in this video. I'm sorry. But please like and subscribe and share. And